Kinship of Rivers on Everest, Nepal. After a year of delay due to 2015 Nepal earthquake, Kinship of Rivers finally arrived in Nepal to track the Everest. We brought 3,000 prayer flags for installation along the path. Each flag is a heart, a prayer, a peace messenger for clean air, water, and soil. Each made by people from the rivers around the world, the Mississippi, Yangtze, Amazon, Ganges, Nile, and many others. Our prayers of poetry and art joined force with billions of local prayer flags along the path. They brought so much joy to the locals and visitors, including the international marathon racers. When we came down the mountain, we were invited to Prominent Kids, a school in Kathmandu, to give a poetry workshop. Children gathered in the yard, sang and painted many flags with their prayer and joy.
Okay, kids.
Don't use blue color, okay? Just use
त्यो मैले लिएर आएको हो, you can use.
Okay, you also don't need to use blue color. This is beautiful. What's your name? Oh, nice. What river are you drawing, painting? Milk River? Sorry? Milk River? Is this Duke Posse? Yes?
Here is no blue color. Teacher, it already pink. Pink color. Teacher, pink color also. Teacher, we need blue color also. Wait.
It was a perfect completion of our mission.